Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Yeah, it's last year the first. Them bro of Ethiopia. Call this a history lesson, but it is not his story, because his story is always leaving out my mother, Mama Africa, Mount Zion High, the birthplace of the Queen of Sheba, the wife of King Solomon, who is the father and the mother of the Lion of Judah. Yeah, I'm telling it to you, straight and direct. Now watch ya. Tafarai Makonnen was a young youth, and him asked to see the Ark of the Covenant, for real. And the priest them and the Abuna was frozen, and them can't move. And the little youth Tafarai walk in at the Ark of the Covenant and speak with Jah. Selassie Rastafari and high. Now we know say the earth's rightful ruler dwells in Mount Zion High, and the Pope of Rome represents Satan upon this earth. Chawas, I would tell you. Them I say the Pope never bowed to no man. Well, we have the picture, the Pope of Rome upon his knees in front of I Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Rastafari high, for Zion high, as I would tell you. No, when Mussolini was scheming with the Pope of Rome to hatch up with Hitler and invade the world and destroy everything, the first place Mussolini want go is Ethiopia. If you take all of the artifacts of the church, of the original people upon the earth, back to Satan up in his Roman chamber, as I would tell you. Yeah. Now, when France and England and Spain and the League of Nations sat idly by and watch as Mussolini gas bomb Ethiopia, raping I mother, murdering I father. What him a go do? Drop gas bomb, poisonous gas, shot people, killing people. And I tell you, Haile Selassie I go to the League of Nations and I tell them straight up, if you not fight for Ethiopia, these two will invade the rest of Europe and the whole of you will fall. And him prophesies World War II, and that is truths and rights. The earth's rightful ruler I tell you say that. For real. 5 years in Ethiopia, man a fight with spears and knives upon nothing. And them a take weapons with them bare hands, fighting in ravine and gully. Independent Ethiopians, Mussolini never be